Hi, good morning, guys. It's me, Sandy. Guys, this is vinegar, acetic acid, the same vinegar we use in the kitchen. And this is baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. When we mix acetic acid with the sodium bicarbonate, there is a chemical reaction happening. So we are going after that chemical reaction today. We are going to make some fun out of it today. Come on, let's go. So guys, let's try mixing some acetic acid with the sodium bicarbonate. First of all, let's pour some acetic acid into this glass. Well, that's enough. And guys, this is sodium bicarbonate. It's a white powder. Let's try adding some sodium bicarbonate to this acetic acid or vinegar. Let's see what happens. You can say it will start to bubble. There is a lot of bubbles. There is a rapid chemical reaction going in, and a lot of bubbles are produced. These bubbles are nothing but carbon dioxide. Acetic acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate, forming carbon dioxide, water, and sodium acetate. It is that carbon dioxide. You can see a lot of carbon dioxide. It's actually frothing. A lot of carbon dioxide being released. Today we are going to use that carbon dioxide releasing to make some fun. So let's try this in a bigger level. Guys, let's try adding some sodium bicarbonate into this acetic acid and collect that carbon dioxide which is formed in a balloon. Wow, the balloon is ballooning up. The balloon is being blown up. Guys, let's try collecting this carbon dioxide to build pressure inside this bottle and make use of that pressure to propel the bottle. We are going to make a rocket. We are going to propel this bottle using this chemical reaction. There is a lot of carbon dioxide being formed. If you try to throw the balloon up, it will immediately come down. Why? Because carbon dioxide is a heavy gas. Okay guys, then let's make the rocket. So guys, for making this sodium bicarbonate acetic acid rocket, first of all you need a bottle like this. I suggest you to select a bottle which can hold a lot of pressure. The branded bottle items like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, they provide such bottles. Your bottle is not going to blast. So select a Pepsi or Coca-Cola bottle or Mirinda, something like that. Don't go for local bottles. For setting it up, you need to make a tripod like this. These are pencils I bought. Easiest thing. You can make it out of sticks. It is easy to get pencils of uniform length. That's why I selected pencils. Let's set up the rocket. Make sure your tripod is uniform. Should be of uniform length. Otherwise your rocket won't stand. You just need to keep the bottle like this. So make a tripod like this. And this is a wooden cork. I need to close the bottle, so I made a lid out of the wood. Lid out of a stick. Now I can close the bottle. Let's see what happens when we propel the rocket. So our bottle is ready. Now we will pour some acetic acid into this. Now we will pour the vinegar. Now we will wrap the sodium bicarbonate in tissue paper and put it in the bottle, and let's try to propel the rocket. when you take sodium bicarbonate, wrap it like this in a tissue paper. Fold one end of the tissue paper like this. So that we can hang it like this. Now we are going to after dropping the tissue paper into the bottle, close it. Let's close it. Tightly close. When we invert this bottle, the sodium bicarbonate is going to get mixed with acetic acid and form carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide will be getting collected inside, building more and more pressure inside the bottle. When the pressure reaches a level, this lid is going to go off and the pressured liquid is going to thrust out of the bottle. That thrust is going to be used to propel this bottle. For every reaction, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Newton's third law. Yeah, that is what's the idea we are going to make use of in this rocket propelling area. Okay guys, let's invert this. So guys, let's invert this. So guys, I have fabricated this bottle to a rocket. Let's fly this one also. So guys, I didn't expect my rocket to propel because my lid was not tight. It was leaking initially, but the pressure buildup was immense and it took the rocket off. The real rocket is also working like that. The rocket sent by NASA and ISRO. The rocket fuel which is burned inside the rocket is thrusted through a small nozzle in the back of the rocket, so that the jet which is coming out thrust out through a small nozzle at the back of the rocket with a heavy force. Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. With the what force the jet is going out, the same force is being applied on the rocket and the rocket goes off. With that force, the rocket continues to propel in that direction. So that's how rockets work, and that's how sodium bicarbonate reacts with acetic acid, giving a lot of carbon dioxide. Science is so funny and interesting, and this was for today. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I will bring another video next week. Until then, bye.